Hey, this is Tracy Lewis with Stuff and Things with day 25 of March Madness. We are using Dragonfly Garden on this project today. This is a shoebox swap card that I believe I made last, maybe a year ago. I just found it buried in a box. So what I like about it is it uses masking tape at these increments, and you just sponge color, so it gives it a nice gradient, sort of an interrupted ombre effect. It's very simple. The coloring, I loved the colors that she had us use on the Dragonfly. You could use blends, you can use colored pencil in these, the light blue and like the soft rich raspberry, just very lightly to give it that iridescent look. And I love the sweet cornflowers done in this soft mauve color. I am thinking that that might be a color that is now retired. It might be Rococo Rose. But if somebody has an idea what color that is, please leave a comment, because right now I'm just not thinking of what the color is. They had me use Garden Green, though I believe that this green is Mint Macaron, Balmy Blue, Highland Heather. I chose today to pop on some of the light green festive pearls. I put one on the Dragonfly and 3 more on the coneflower centers, and I did not decorate the inside. And I am not sure about this hello. I'll see if I can find where this hello is from using my database of sentiments that is not current, because I did not get a chance to enter all of the data for this mini, but I will diligently be working on the annual catalog to get it back up to date, so it will be current after that catalog goes live. So I'll see if I can find the hello. This is a very popular hello style. I see it all different sizes, all different brands. It's in the bouncy cursive. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, oh, I should say this combo. This is a new trim, and it comes in a 3-pack, and I believe there's a crumb cake as the third one. It's a little bit, it's got a little bit of a weave to it, kind of like a braided look to it that I really like. I will have that on the supplies list because I will figure out what that is. That's it for today for this project. Stay tuned for tomorrow, episode 26, where I'm switching gears yet again. I had been doing masculine. This probably not as masculine. And then tomorrow I'm just going to go off on a different tangent. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.